Are you struggling to lose your side fat, which is of course a cause of concern because this very stubborn fat is refraining and stopping you from fitting into your favorite dress because it doesn't look good. That's why they are called the love handles, because there's so much love literally that it shows from every part of your belly area. Yes, this very side fat around this very region, which literally many people can hold in their hands. Now, this very fat is so stubborn, and I had it once upon a time too, just a few years ago when I was really overweight. And this was my cause of concern because no matter how much perfect a shape of a body I would have, this love handle area, this side fat area would just make me look terrible in whatever dress I wore. So I swore upon these exercises, just one simple move I used to do every single day, which is so easy. I would do it in the comfort of my own home, literally anytime. And it is completely beginner friendly. Plus, it is with guaranteed results. Have you invested in any one of those innerwears which is so difficult to first of all put on and you stop breathing? Plus, it never keeps your side fat away. It always shows somehow or the other it manages to pop out. So please let me know in the comment section below if you have invested in an expensive piece of innerwear just to get rid of this fat. Now, I'm going to help you get rid of it once and for all. All you have to do is comment below, yes, I have tried it. No, I have never tried it. So I'm ready to begin with this simple and easy exercise. But as you know, we have to loosen up our muscles before we do any exercise. So I bring to you a very simple and easy routine, which you have to do as a warm-up before this very exercise. It's simple and easy. You just have to twist and touch. With this hand, you have to touch your hip, and with this hand, you have to touch your thigh. And twist as far as you can. Like this. Both the sides. Hope you're doing it along with me. I hope you're enjoying this exercise. Now it's just about to be 1 minute while we're doing this warm-up, so we can move on to the next super easy exercise. Well done. So now let's move to that simple and easy move, which is so easy, anybody can do it. And this is what worked for me and so many people who've joined my transformation program. I'm sure it's going to work for you too. All you have to do is stand absolutely tall with your core tucked in tight, because this is the area we have to engage, and this very area. So besides this, we have to keep our legs shoulder width apart, slightly wider than that, like this, with your toes pointing forwards. And we have to keep one hand over here on the waist, and we have to bend downwards to this side. And we have to make sure that the hand is touching the leg. Your palm should be touching the leg, and go all the way down like this as far as you can. And then come up again. Now let's move on to the next side. You've got to put a hand here like this and take it all the way down. Well done! If you found the previous exercise completely doable and easy, that means you have graduated to the next level, which is the intermediate level, which I'm going to show you now, which is again a simple and easy movement, just like the one before, but slightly faster so that we can reap even maximum benefits. Come on, do it along with me. Don't stop just yet. Yes, it's affecting that very area, this area, your side fat, the love handles. Imagine fitting into your favorite dress. It's time to say bye-bye to the side fat. Just a couple of more seconds left. Don't stop just yet. Keep going. You're doing so well.